Alright, we are in Woodward, Oklahoma. Time is 1:31 p.m. Wind has just really started picking up. Snowfall rates have greatly increased as well. As you can see, visibility is well under a quarter mile.
They plowed this not long ago.
And the road's really starting to drift in pretty bad. We'll probably not be able to move around too much longer. Yeah. It's about time to head back. Woo! Oh, there's a gust over 40. Whoa! Look at this! This is residential areas of Woodward. I would guesstimate 14 to 18 inches total snowfall accumulation, somewhere in that range. And the snow was heavy and wet when it began, so it stuck to all the trees. Hence, a lot of downed limbs back here.
Kind of amazing we didn't lose power last night.
Alright, once I go by, I'm gonna get a picture of it. Oh! Around the limb!
Intersect!
Uh-oh, there. They appear to be...
Stuck?
Stuck. Alright, we're having some fun on the residential roads of Woodward here. Almost got stuck.
Some people's definitions of fun.
Or maybe in the process of getting stuck. We will see.
Oh, that's a cool picture. Pull over. It will collapse.
Well,
Pull
no, I
over.
can't get a picture with my wide angle from here.
Hand me the camera.
You can't get a picture. Heading back from Woodward down towards Norman. Highway 270 southeast of Woodward.
A lot of rooms upstairs.
It's a creepy thing about coming back from blizzards. If you're bumper bowling, you go off and ricochet between the snow. See, look at this.
I'll get stuck again. Wow.
Is that awesome?
Yes.